Hello and Jai Hind, dear students. Today we are going to do Maths Practical 1. Topic is linear equation in one variable. Aim introduction of linear equation in one variable using calendar. Okay. The objective is at the end of this activity, the students will be able to solve a puzzle mathematically with their friends. What are the material required? Calendars of any type, irrespective of any month and year. As I have taken here calendar of November month. Okay, so you have to take any month. Okay, what are the steps involving in this activity? So the first one is you have to choose any four dates mentally that form a square. Suppose I have taken these four dates, that is 4, 5, 12 and 11, that forms a square. Okay, like this way I have circled it, right? After selecting these four dates, you have to add the numbers in the square mentally. For example, 4 plus 5 plus 11 plus 12, and the sum is 32. Okay, then what to do next? Divide this sum by 4 and get the result. The result you will get after dividing 32 by 4 is 8. Then after that you have to subtract 4 from the result. That means 8 minus 4, which is equal to 4. So this 4 is the first date first date that you have selected from the block. Then what to do? You will add plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So second date is 4 plus 1, that is 5, is the second date. Now the third date is what? You have to add 7 in this, the first number. 4 plus 7 is 11, and this is the third date in the block. And then you have to add 8 in the first number. Okay, so 4 plus 8 is 12. So you'll get all the four dates. By this activity you got all the four dates selected by your friend mentally. Now we will discuss the concept behind this activity. So for that, let the four chosen date that forms a square be n plus 1, n plus 7 and n plus 8. To obtain the value of n, we will add all the four numbers that add up the number and equate with the sum obtained, that is n, n plus 1, n plus 7 and n plus 8. Okay, now we will check from the example that we are taken. So the example is, we have selected that 4 days 4, 5, 11 and 12, and which gives the sum, that is 32, right? So what we will do here, we will add all the numbers, these numbers, and that is equated from the sum that we obtained, that is 32. Now what to do next? We will add all the four numbers, so that makes n plus n plus 1 plus n plus 7 plus n plus 8, which makes 32. Then you have to add all the variable, that is n plus n plus n plus n, so it makes 4n, plus add up the constant, these are 1 plus 7 plus 8, so 1 plus 7 8 and 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, this will be equal to 32. Then what to do next? We have to take common in 4n and 16, or you can do one more way, subtract 16 from 32. Also we will do this. So 4n plus I have taken 4 as a common from both the numbers, so 4 is taken as common, so 4 into n plus 4, because 4 4 is 16, that will be equal to 32, and then this 4 divides the product 32, that is n plus 4 is equal to 32 divided by 4, and we will get the result 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32. Then n plus 4 is equal to 8, and n is equal to 8 minus 4, and the result we will get 4. Okay, so the value of n is 4. So n is what? The first date is n, so first date is n and it is 4th. Then second date is n plus 1. This makes 4 plus 1 on putting the value of n is equal to 4, so 4 plus 1 is 5. Third date is n plus 7, that means 4 plus 7, and 4 plus 7 is how much? 4 plus 7 is 11. And finally the fourth date is n plus 8, so n plus 8 is 4 plus 8, and 4 plus 8 is 12. Okay, this way we perform the activity.